Hello everyone, welcome to Super Kids Parenting and Tender Years. We were discussing about oral phonetic analysis, the five set of activities which has to be done in succession. We covered on the four activities. This is the final 1/5 activity which is done using the sandpaper letter. So for this activity we need sandpaper letters, two sandpaper letters. The children should have been offered already these sandpaper letters. Pick up those two letters which are already being presented to the child. So what we do is similar way, invitation, preparation and presentation. We call the child, invite the child to a particular place, and then we ask the child to bring two sandpaper letters you have thought and which has already been presented to the child. Here we have R, R and S. So we have taken it as R answer. So place the stand on the chowki and rest the sandpaper letter on the stand such that the children can see the letters. So it can be presented in a way. So the ground rule remains the same. I'm going to say few words. You listen carefully, and whomever I ask, only that child will answer. So the presentation starts with rat. What did I say, Priya? The child says rat. When I say rat, which is the sound do you listen? This or this? So this is being presented in the to the child. So when I say rat, so indicating to the two sandpaper letter R and S, the R answer. Show the letter R. Yes, it is. If the child shows the letter R, yes, we say it is R. So it's in a similar way. Sand. What did I say, Raju? The child says sand. When I say sand, which sound do you listen to? This or this? Indicating to the two sandpaper letters R and S. So the child will pick up S. So saying that yes, it is. So continue in the same manner with each of the word, and you have decided for this activity. So it is using two sandpaper letter. You say this or that. The child has to pick up which letter it starts from. So the first sound basically. So these are a few activities, five set of activities under oral phonetic analysis which you are going to practice with your child. So the first one among the five set of activities is knowing the last sound of the word, and second one is about the first sound of the word, and the third one is the last and the first sound of the word by two different children, and fourth activity is the first and the last sound of the word by the same child, and fifth one is using the sandpaper letter, which is two sandpaper letters. Hope you got the idea about the activity. Thank you for watching this video. Other videos on language development covers on enrichment of the vocabulary, and it has a lot of other activities also. Please do watch all our videos related with language development for more clarification. Thank you.